Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore toast notifications in React with React Toastify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore toast notifications in your React application using React Toastify, first, ensure you have the library installed. Open your terminal and run the command npm install React Toastify. Once the installation is complete, import React Toastify into your project. At the top of your main component file, add the following import statement: import toast container toast from React Toastify. Next, you need to import the CSS for the Toastify library. Add the line import React Toastify /dist React Toastify.css just below your previous import. Now, to create a toast notification, you can define a function. Create a function called notify that calls the toast method. Inside the notify function, write toast. This is a toast notification. To trigger this function, create a button within your component. Add an onClick event to the button that calls the notify function when clicked. Position the toast container component in your render method. Insert toast container / just before the closing tag of your main component. You can customize the toast container with optional props to adjust its position, auto-close time, and more. Finally, test your application by running it and clicking the button. You should see your toast notification appear as expected. Feel free to customize the notification message and style to suit your application's needs. That's it. You have successfully restored toast notifications in your React app using React Toastify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.